In this Whitetail Instinct gear review, we're going to be reviewing the KUIU Attack Pant for whitetail and turkey hunters in the Midwest. The KUIU Attack Pant that we have here that we wear for turkey hunting and whitetail hunting is kind of a lightweight to mid-weight hunting pant. And the main features, I guess, of the product, one are just the regular pockets that you have on the sides, and then these zip pockets that are in front that you can zip up, put stuff in there. Usually put gloves in there, a stocking hat in there, throw your cell phone in there so you don't lose it. And what I like about it is a lot of the pants that come out for hunters or turkey hunters is they're snap or Velcro. Velcro's allowed, snap, there's two big holes at the top. So with the zipper, I know it's in there. I don't have to worry about it falling out when we're running around. And you're not gonna, if like for turkey hunting, we're not gonna lose your call if you throw your calls in there, crawling through the brush, sneaking up on a turkey. You're not gonna lose it if you have this zip pocket, which makes it nice. And that's one thing about this product that we like, is we use it for two different seasons. Basically, we use it for our turkey hunting and we use it for our whitetail hunting. Yeah, we use it especially like during turkey season. I'll throw on a pair of thermals underneath of it, and then just this, and maybe a pair of shorts, and that'll get me through March 25th when our bow season opens, all the way through the end when I'll just wear these in a pair of shorts. Yep. And with these zips right here, you got huge vents on the side, and they work. If you're walking around and you're warm when you're turkey hunting, you zip those down and you can really tell the difference, especially if the only thing you got on is this pant or you got just a pair of shorts on underneath. These zips on the side make it real nice for warm weather hunting. And like we said, when you transition into whitetail season, we'll throw these on. Our season here in Nebraska opens September 15th, so it's still warm out, can be 90 degrees turkey hunting weather, and we'll throw these on. We can wear these when we're deer hunting then in September, and we'll transition all the way through to late season. I know last year we were wearing them in the late season. Throw a pair of jeans on and some thermals underneath, and enough stretch in here that it doesn't bind when you're trying to climb up a tree stand or you're walking, and you can stay warm in it. They're definitely not a cold weather pant, but they are versatile enough. You can use them through the majority of your season and then break out your really cold weather stuff when it, gets really cold. Yep. I guess one thing we forgot to mention, we were talking about how it's kind of stretchy and comfortable. It's super quiet. It makes no noise. You're not going. It's not like a slick pant or anything like that. Like if you're looking online at the pictures, trying to tell what kind of fabric it is. I wouldn't even know what kind of fabric to describe. It's polyester. Yeah. It's stretchy. And it's just athletic. It's real quiet. It's not like a slick pant where it's kind of loud or anything like that. You're not going to make any noise. It's quiet, soft fabric. KUIU is more for mountain hunting, western hunting, but it does work to hunt turkeys and deer here in the Midwest. I mean, because we've turkey hunted all this year and all last year in it, and it's not a bright green like you see out of some of the other camo patterns, but it doesn't seem to matter. They'll break up the digital type pattern. They can't, for some reason they can't see it, so they're not picking us out when they're on the ground looking up at the sky. When we're in a tree stand, they're not picking us out on the ground either. No. So for turkey hunters and whitetail hunters, just hunters in the Midwest in general, we would recommend using this KUIU Attack Pant for your hunts. Like we said, it's quiet, very versatile, blends in well with the camo pattern. There's a link in the description below to be able to look at this product, purchase this product, and look at all the other products that KUIU has to offer. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like it. And if you have any questions about this product or some of the other KUIU products, make sure to drop a question in the comments. We'll answer them. And also, if you know anything else you like about this product, this pant, or any of the other KUIU products, make sure to comment and just help people out so they can come watch this video and learn about this product and see if it's something they want to purchase. Thanks for watching.